Hello, everyone. Welcome to another very interesting webinar for very bright lamp students. We are going to continue mastering the art of pattern differentiation using the eight principles. Let's welcome Trix. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay, everybody is familiar with collapse of Yang or Yang collapse. So the question is, what is the typical sweat uh, that you see in the patient with Yang collapse?
Profuse sweating with beads of sweat like pearls.
Yes. So the key word is pearls, oily
Pearl.
like
Oil.
pearls on the forehead, and they are cold. Remember, collapse of Yang. Medyo malapit na. Okay. Why is Yang collapse tongue pale, wet, swollen, and short?
There's a massive loss of body fluids when yang qi is depleted. There's also liver blood deficiency.
So, okay, when you have Yang collapse, that means you do not have enough heat to create body fluid circulation. There will be no movement, no? Okay, so when you do not have enough blood flow, you will have a tongue that looks pale and wet and swollen. Okay. Now, low body temperature makes your body cold, and the cold will cause contraction of the tongue muscles. That's why the tongue tends to be shorter. Now, we're done with yang collapse. What about the sweat in a patient with yin collapse?
Profuse sweating.
Will it also be oily?
And no.
It will be sticky. Yeah, profuse or abundant sticky sweat. Okay? Yin collapse. Kulang ang yin. So that means it's very sticky. No? Kulang sa yin. Okay. Multiple choice. Yin collapse patient would want to drink what?
Letter B, cold liquids in small sips.
Yes. Yin collapse. Kulang, nag-collapse na yung yin. Um, they would want to drink cold liquids, small sips. Why is yin collapse pulse floating empty?
Um, there's yin deficiency. Yang qi is losing its root in lower part of the body and floating in the upper region.
Okay, because the yin is now unable to anchor the yang because there is not much yin. If the body doesn't have yin, then the yang cannot be anchored. That's why the pulse tends to float on the surface. If you push it, you won't feel anything. That's why it's called empty. True or false? Yin deficiency sign. A floating empty is a yin deficiency sign.
True.
Great. Yin collapse patient has urine retention and constipation. Why?
There's an extreme condition of yin deficiency heat and yin is exhausted or a pathogenic heat.
Because the patient now is dehydrated, no? Not enough body fluid, so there will be constipation, and the body will tend to conserve water. It will try to retain water. That's why the urine is dark in color. Number 8, please describe a tongue, the tongue in yin collapse.
It will be thin, short, dark red tongue without coating or short and dry tongue.
Okay, very good. So yin collapse patient has empty heat or deficient heat. So that means the body is dehydrated. So if the body is dehydrated, you have a tongue that is red, peeled, and dry. And the short tongue will also indicate dehydration too. Blood deficiency does not usually involve what kind of symptoms? This is actually part of the eight principles. Pili lang kayo.
Organ cancer. Lung and kidney.
Hot and cold. Wala siyang cold.
Ah, okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. So, if you have blood deficiency, di ba, you cannot determine,
Mm,
unlike other patterns. No?
I see.
Blood deficiency can be, you cannot tell if it's hot or cold. Okay, identify the pattern. Aversion to cold or wind, fever, headache, pain in the limbs and joints, floating pulse. Exterior, interior.
Exterior, exterior cold.
Very good. The disease exists in the viscera and bowels. What is the pattern?
Um, Texas cold.
No. Is it
Interior.
interior or exterior?
Interior.
Interior. Interior patterns can come from where?
External pathogenic factor invasion.
Yeah, any form. It can come from
And
interior. Yeah, it can come from any form of disease, not only exterior. Excess causes what?
external or internal condition.
Like, yeah, phlegm. Yeah, that would be
Phlegm.
blood stasis, food stagnation. Trauma is excess. Okay. The blood stasis is parasites definitely is excess. Treatment. How do you treat excess?
Expel or drain or transform pathogenic chi.
Okay, drain and attack. You drain, then you attack. Oftentimes, an excess is caused by the strength of a person themselves. True or false?
False. It's
Oftentimes.
Mm,
mm,
false.
why?
false.
Younger.
So, di ba, if a person
Mhm,
is younger, yeah, this is false, but it all depends on
mhm.
the robustness or the age of the patient. No, of course, if you are younger,
Kasi Dok, ang kasi Dok, ang pinag-uusapan pag sinabing excess kasi, hindi yung strength ng person, hindi yung strength ng pathogenic factor.
uh it's the presence of the pathogenic factor and the absence uh, of a deficiency. So that means the patient
Mhm.
is able, kasi it cannot be called excess if the upright chi is unable to ward off the pathogen. Okay?
Yes.
It has something to do more with your ability to get rid of the.
Depende.
Okay? So the younger you are, but there are young people who are not so healthy, or the more robust you are, then you can actually, and that's why metal excess. Okay? So if wala nang response, then that's definitely not excess. What does deficiency cause?
Chi, blood, yin and yang depletion or internal condition.
Okay. Weak constitution. That's why there are people who are always sick. Blood loss. No?
Mhm.
Siyempre pag kulang ka sa deficiency, you'll have blood loss. Sweating.
Mhm.
Kulang sa deficiency. When you have deficiency, you don't have chi. And then
Mhm.
sweating. Uh, if you sweat a lot, remember, spontaneous sweating that is caused by lung chi deficiency. Um, because lung qi deficiency is related to wei qi deficiency. It can also cause external evil. So that means that external pathogenic factor can be your enemy. So um, damage to wei qi and damage to ying qi. Ying Qi, nutritive Qi.
Mhm.
Now let's talk about the excess deficiency complex.
It's a combination of excess and deficiency when pathogenic factor arises, but its influence is not very strong, while body chi is weak and not reacting properly
Okay.
against.
You have excess and deficiency at the same time, no? So, of course, you have the external evil invading the person with damage to the upright chi. Okay?
Mhm.
So, yon. Kaya naging deficient. So, if your upright chi is not strong enough, it will definitely cause damage. Kaya hindi na siya
Mhm.
excess lang. Do you agree? Okay, so if
Yes.
you have excess lang, that means there is a war raging. There is a battle going on because the upright chi is still able to fight off the pathogenic factor. So that's why it's called excess. However,
Mm.
if the person is deficient, of course, hindi lang siya excess. It's a mixture. It's a combination of excess and deficiency. So excess and deficiency, they occur at the same time. No? So we
So,
have,
Doc, meaning po ba niyan excess ng pathogens tapos deficiency ng kanyang upright chi?
yes.
Yun po ba yun?
Oo.
Ayun.
Magiging maano kasi. Siyempre, just like what happens when you have a comorbidity. Remember yung last pandemic, those who have weak weak may mga comorbidity, um the virus became very virulent, no?
Mm,
So, sana
Gets.
yon, although I hate to comment na, dapat malakas yung upright chi mo. So, before you receive the
Mhm.
vaccine, probably what could have been done is you have to make sure, or we have to qualify, is that patient really still young enough or
Strong enough.
strong enough? Yeah. Kasi when you have an excess and deficiency going at the same time, kawawa yung. Kasi remember, um, any if you're weak, so any invader is considered evil because and diba, evil will actually cause damage to your upright chi. Okay? So
Okay.
are we good? And most of the patients that you see during the pandemic, yung mga nagkasakit talaga, namatay pa, they already have deficiency. So ang
Okay po.
nangyari noon, they should have prepared us for the worst. Ganun talaga, di ba? So,
Biglaan, parang bagyo lang. Buti
oh,
pa may bagyo, may pasabi eh.
kaya nga, dapat dapat marunong mag-pattern differentiation. So dapat, I cannot receive the vaccine because I am deficient. So yun. Kaya yun. Di ba? Number 18, conversion of excess and deficiency.
it's a change of symptoms from one principle to its opposite.
Okay. So, transformability. Nagka-transform siya, no? Uh, strong external evil causes internal damage before evil is resolved. Okay. So, ang excess, okay. Depende din ito sa ano rin eh, di ba? Like, so ang excess can become deficient. So that means you have a very, very strong, okay, it's like this. Example, if you are not used to a very strong, let's say you were sent to the North Pole. If you're not sanay, definitely you will get sick, no matter how
Mm.
strong you are. Diba?
Yes.
Kasi it's strong. So, a strong external.
Nabigla
Yeah.
body.
And finally, number 19. What is a true false excess or deficiency?
Um, is it? Ano, wala pala akong answer dyan.
Okay. Each is capable of
Sorry.
presenting signs that mimic the other. Kaya minsan you get
Mm.
confused, right? Sometimes so there is really a need to examine the signs carefully. So like damp heat, no, can often cause deficiency-like signs of fatigue and soggy pulse. Okay? So alam naman natin na damp heat is excess. So you become confused. So I think the best indicator here would be the tongue. Thank you so
Mhm.
much, Trix.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay, let's proceed to Madam Mercy. Uh, hello.
Good afternoon, everyone po.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, madam.
Okay, we are still on 8 principles, and we know that this is where we categorize the illness as yin or yang, hot or cold, excess or deficient, and external or internal. So cold and heat are mutations of what?
Yin and yang,
Very good. Wow. When yang is exuberant, what will happen?
merong excess heat,
Very good. When yin is exuberant, there will be,
cold,
yes. When yang is deficient, there is,
cold, interior
yes.
cold,
Alam mo na ang next. When yin is deficient, there is,
heat.
yeah. But according to Machocha, before the yin deficiency will manifest as heat, it will take several years, sometimes 10 years, di ba? In fact, we have seen a lot of tongues. When you say yin deficiency, there is no coating, right? And
Yes.
the time, the color of the tongue body is not red yet. So when the tongue body color is already red, then that's the time we call it empty heat. Okay?
Empty.
So, but
Okay.
other books would say, pag ang yang deficiency mayroong cold, meron na ring heat ang yin deficiency. What are the causes of heat?
Causes of heat may come from exterior heat, summer heat, yin deficiency, yang excess, empty heat, and deficiency of yin fluids.
Yes. Okay. What is this? What is the pattern? According to the 8 principles, may fever, redness in the tongue, eyes, face, thirst for cold drinks, agitation, hard stool, short voiding of reddish urine. Ibig sabihin ko, konti lang yung ihi tapos pula pa. Ano po ang pattern?
Yang excess.
Very good. Okay, how would you describe an excess yang pulse?
It's superficial and full, rapid, slippery, large, and strong.
Mukhang kompleto. Grabe.
Sabi ng book. Parang,
Okay.
parang shoot lahat.
Ay, grabe. Actually, the best answer would be rapid, mabilis.
Rapid.
Yeah. So, pag alam mo
Para
rapid
sure.
ka, so pag rapid, how many, like, alam mo naman yan no? Alam mo naman pag rapid, titingin ka agad sa tenga, sa dila, no? Now, anong signs po ito? Five-centered heat, dryness, tidal fever. Tidal fever is when the patient will tell you, why is it that at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., umiinit yung katawan? I had a patient like that. I think like 3 of them, 4.
Yin deficiency.
Yes. So, let's ask Sir Joe Bell. Sir Joe Bell, um, pag may yin deficiency po ang isang tao, anong hanapin niyo sa dila?
Yin deficiency. Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon
Good
po.
afternoon po, Sir Jobel.
Yes.
Bilisan mo.
Hindi ako sigurado, Dok, pero try ko po.
Ay,
Deficiency. Ah, yung
kinabaan.
makikita po sa data po, pag may deficiency po sa yin,
Oh,
walang puting, Dok.
wow, galing naman. Wow, oh my God, I'm so proud. Wow. Congratulations.
Mm-mm.
I was never wrong about you.
Nakikinig.
Bacolod has a future. I'm excited. So, dapat
Mm-mm.
ako pumunta dyan, may tinuruan ka ng 20, ha? Okay. We need to clone ourselves. Kasi, when you are able to teach someone, that means you were able to already understand. Do we have a deal, Sir Ochobel? Wow, I'm so proud. Wow, talagang, ay nako, I'm so happy today. Nawala bigla yung aking plemas. Okay. Treatment for excess yang.
Nakaka-excite.
O sige, mamaya na ulit.
Mm.
After 3
Mamaya na.
weeks na yun, Doc.
O take note ha, wala yan silang formal training. So that means, alam nyo naman what we have been doing. And we've been like doing, wala pa nga tayo dun sa diagnostics, alam na niya. O see, ang sipag niya. Grabe, wala
Thank
pa.
you, Doc.
Thank you so
Mm.
much, Sir Job.
Interesado talaga.
And I'm sure your classmates here, your mentors to be. Ay, by the way, I will
Mm.
ask batch one to actually join us and you will be the ones who will ask them, no? Kasi sa ano daw ngayon, medyo you have to pass the panel. But I think naman, our batch, the batch one, kailangan lang talaga turuan paano sumagot and paano to be confident about their answers. The shorter the answers, yun. This is
Mm.
all because of what happened in Cagayan de Oro, Sir Joe Bell. Cagayan ba yon? Saan ba lugar yon? Okay. Kasi nakasalalay ang
Nakita.
pangalan ng ate. So,
Pagkadian siguro yan.
kaya ano ha, I'm so proud. I'm so happy. I think all of my wishes will be granted already. And this is just my dream.
Mm-mm.
This 2025, bahala na maubos yung chi basta may naituro na
Hindi yan.
system works. Thank you so much, Sir Joe Bell. Sana dumami. Asan na yung iba mong taga Bacolod? Mukhang ikaw na nakikita ko. Okay. May pasyente.
Lunod sila.
You go back to your patient and please open your ears. Thank you so much. Okay, Madam M, how do you treat excess young?
Clear excess heat.
Very good. Clear and drain. For deficient yin, how do you treat yin deficiency?
Nourish yin,
Yes.
clear empty heat, and calm shen.
Ay, grabe, kompleto. Okay,
Yung
galing.
book, yung maganda yung libro, Doc.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, kaya nga nangingilabot yung ano ko. I think, do you have that book already, Sir Joe Bell? This is what happens when I'm so inspired. I'll give that book to you. It's so simplified, no? Sige. Huwag mo sabihin sa iba. Charot. Ang ganda ng
Ay,
libro.
hindi naman nila
Ang ganda
bubantangin.
ng libro.
Yung
Nako, masyado.
ko-collection nila.
Okay, and also when you have yin deficiency, acupuncture alone will not help. You have to give supplementation. Kaya nga
Oh,
yin, you have to give nourishment. Okay? You need to know this uh, foods that can nourish the yin. Okay, so yun. Next, cold causes what?
pain. Um,
Of course.
uh,
Actually, the question is so vague. No?
cool.
So,
May naganda. Yung unang-una ko kasi, yung pinakadulo kasi yung unang-una kong inunang sagutin. Kaya
definitely,
yun.
actually, the pain caused by cold is quite painful. Super sakit yan. However,
Opo.
cold can cause yin evils. So yin evils can damage your upright chi, can injure
Yes.
upright chi, and also
Opo.
uh
And also the dampness, cold energy foods.
cold. What are the cold signs?
Usually pale, aversion to cold, curls up, cold limbs, loose stool, slow or tight pulse, not thirsty, tasteless mouth, pale swollen tongue with moist coat, clear profuse urine, pale complexions.
Very good. Cold can easily do what if you leave it to stagnate and you don't treat it properly? Example, you have a patient who came in with cold limbs, maraming pain. Pag-uwi niya, cold pa rin yung limbs niya. And then kung ganun na balik-balik lang, what do you think will happen in the future?
Ah, mas lalong lalala yung condition niya.
Okay, may tendency siya mag-transform to heat.
Mag-transform into heat.
Yes. And when it transforms to heat, then there will be a lot of problems. Can you describe the heat-cold complex?
Heat cold cold complex. Ito po yung, ang intindi ko dito yung magkasama sila.
Okay.
So, okay. Hot palpitations, hot or heat, palpitations, anxiety, all of a sudden become deficient, cold, loses stools, thin, minute pulse, profuse sweating, kasi young yung, exhausted yung young, constant diarrhea, and vomiting, young collapse with loss of body fluids, indicating deficiency cold syndrome or the collapse of young. Alay,
Yes.
yata.
So nagko-coexist yung symptoms, no? Cold signs that
Mm,
affect the middle or lower jaw, and the heat signs affecting the upper jaw. And I think you know the organs there already.
di
Okay.
opo.
What is true heat, false cold?
Post
What
cold.
causes it?
Ah, do he post cold? Yung ah, symptoms po yung nasa akin eh. Yung thirsty, yellow, scanty urine, constipation, crimson red, tongue with scorched yellow and dry tongue coat, deep pulse with a slippery, that is a slippery, rapid, and forceful. Meaning may kinalaman to sa empty heat. Tas cold limbs and deep pulse are signs of false cold because of excess internal heat prevents young chi from reaching the exterior.
Okay. Yeah.
Cold limbs due to excess heat.
Okay. Because the heat will stagnate in the middle. And then pag nag-stagnate yung cold, ay yung heat sa middle, the the cold will be in the limbs or there will be aversion to cold. Nag-stagnate yung heat eh, no? So, yung
Mm.
naiwan, yung outside of the middle jaw. Okay?
Mm.
What about true cold false heat?
Yan. It's a symptoms of cold limbs, exhaustion, clear urine, loose stools, pale tongue, white coating, large but horseless pulse,
Okay.
and fever, thirst, flushed face, full, full pulse. This is because excess yin cold forces yang to the exterior.
Okay. Yeah. Deficient
Not
fire
then
flaring
upwards.
upwards. Tapos, cold signs all throughout. Kaya true cold. Of course, when you look at the tongue, makikita mo talaga, mako-confuse ka, di ba? Mainit yung katawan, pero uh, yung tongue niya pale, even blue. Okay, what pattern po is this? You just did, uh, you have to tell me if it's yin pattern or yang pattern. Exterior, excess heat.
Exterior, excess heat.
Yin
It's
pattern or yang pattern?
it's a yang pattern.
Very good. Interior, deficiency, deficient cold, or yang
It's
deficient.
a
Yin
yin
pattern.
pattern.
Severe illness or long-term disease. Kaya as much as possible, you have to treat your patient properly. No?
Mhm.
Hindi yung paulit-ulit, babalik-balik. We don't want the illness to become prolonged, to become severe, or the disease to be long-term. Tapos naka-maintenance. So what is uh, the worst case scenario here?
Deficiency condition po.
Okay. So actually collapse na eh.
Collapse
Magko-collapse
na
ang
pala.
yin, magko-collapse ang yang. No? O, diba? Primero yon yang deficiency. Tapos, no, qi
Chi, tapos si
deficiency. Tapos yang deficiency. Tapos
yang,
yang
yang
collapse.
collapse.
So, pag yin collapse. Okay. Ano pong pattern dito? Profuse sweating, hot skin, agitation, thirst, difficulty breathing, tongue is dry and red, rapid and forceless pulse.
It's a yin collapse.
Yin collapse. Na. Okay. Wala na siyang yin. Mainit na siya. Everything is hot. Like, um, basta mainit. Hindi nga magde-delirium na, pero mainit talaga. Grabe yung pawis. Okay, so copious sweat, cold skin, apathy, pale tongue, tapos
It's
oily sweat with that
yun na
looks
yung
like earth.
keyword. Yun ang keyword, yang collapse.
Yes, young collapse. Medyo malapit na. Okay, so yung mga nasa
So,
ospital, alam na natin.
alam na.
Yeah. So dalawa lang yan, yin collapse or yang collapse. Okay, what pattern is this? Aversion to cold. You answer exterior pattern or interior pattern. Dalawa lang naman.
It's an exterior pattern.
Okay, of course. Stiff neck. Thirst, hot or cold?
Hot,
Yes. No thirst.
cold,
Tight pulse.
cold,
Yes. Rapid pulse.
heat,
Yes. Okay. You have to be specific dito ha. You answer kung anong klaseng exterior na pattern to. Slight
yes.
fever, pronounced aversion to cold, severe aches in the body, severe stiff neck, no sweating, no thirst.
Exterior cold,
Very good. Floating, tight pulse, thin white tongue coating. Normal ang coating. Pero yung pulse niya, floating and mahigpit.
ano siya? Floating type. Mas cold pa rin po. Exterior
Exterior
cold.
cold. Very good. Floating, rapid pulse. So hindi na siya floating tight. Floating, rapid pulse. Thin white tongue coating, normal. And maybe some redness on the sides or front.
It's an exterior excess heat.
Yes, exterior heat. The worst thing that could happen here is kung ang buong pumunta na yung redness sa center. So that means nag-interior na yung problem. So a very good practitioner will make sure na mawala na yung red sa sides or front. Okay?
Okay.
So pag sinabi natin exterior heat, what happens to your throat? Will it be ticklish or will it be sore?
Sore po.
Sore throat. Galing. Ano ang sweating? Deficiency or excess?
Deficiency po.
Very good. Or vacuity. Other books would use the term vacuity. Absence of sweating, excess or deficiency?
Excess.
Very good. Slow pulse. Deficient or
Cold. Ay, deficient.
deficient or excess?
Deficient po.
Yes. Tight pulse. Deficient or excess?
Nasa cold po kasi siya eh. So, it's deficient. Ay,
No,
excess pala.
excess.
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 Malapit ka na doon. Severe
Yes.
body ache.
um, exterior cold po.
Okay, exterior excess. External syndrome affects what? Now, this is a very, very important.
Skin,
Yes.
opo. Skin, hair, muscular interstices,
Yeah.
and shallow meridians and collaterals.
Very good. Kaya nga external, no? Internal syndrome affects.
The viscera, the chi, the blood, and the bone marrow.
Okay. There. Primary stage of invasion of the six pathogenic factors into the body through the skin, mouth, and nose. Kaya dapat naka-mask tayo. This is marked by
Mhm.
sudden onset, short duration, shallow location. What is the pattern?
Exterior
Exterior
syndrome.
syndrome. What are the symptoms of exterior syndrome?
Chill and fever, on aversion to wind, headache, body aches and stiffness, stuffy nose, cough or sore throat, white thin tongue coating, floating pulse.
Very good. Okay, anong klaseng syndrome to? Dysfunctions of the viscera, imbalance between chi and blood due to impairment of viscera caused by emotional
It's
upsets, improper diet, improper daily lifestyle.
it's an interior syndrome.
Very good. Okay. High fever, aversion to heat, restlessness, coma with delirium, thirst with profuse drinking of water, scanty and brownish urine, retention of feces, red tongue with yellow coating, rapid and powerful pulse.
Internal heat syndrome.
Very good. Okay, differences between exterior syndrome and interior syndrome.
Exterior syndrome has an aversion to cold, fever, and chills, general pain and stiffness, headache, stuffy nose, floating pulse, white thin tongue coating, while the interior syndrome has only fever or cold, um, thirst, and desire of drinking warm, and nausea, vomiting, bitter taste, poor appetite, abdominal distension and pain, constipation, diarrhea, yellow urine, vexation, insomnia, delirium, deep pulse. Tongue is either red, crimson, yellow, gray, or black.
Okay, master. Okay, ang daming ganyan ngayon. Okay. Blank
Ang dami.
refers to pathogenic factors in the Shaoyang channel. Remember, ito yung parang hinge, di ba? Nasa gitna siya ng
Opo.
Yang and Yang Ming.
Kaya
So, ito,
half exterior and half interior
yes,
syndrome.
half-half. Half exterior, half interior. Kaya hindi gumagaling-galing. So the fever and chills are alternating, no? Okay, alternating chills and fever, bitter taste in the mouth, dry throat, dizziness, vexation, nausea, fullness in chest and hypochondrium, poor appetite, wiry pulse.
Half interior and half exterior syndrome.
Yes, great. Aversion to cold or intolerance to cold, preference for warmth, cold limbs, and cuddling up in sleep, pale or light colored complexion, moist mouth without thirst, thin sputum, saliva and snivel, clear and profuse urine, loose stool, pale tongue with white moist and slippery coating, slow or tense pulse. What syndrome is this?
It's a cold syndrome.
Very good. Fever, aversion to heat with preference for cold, red complexion, or flushed cheeks, thirst with preference for cold drinks, restless and insomnia, yellow and sticky sputum and snivel, vomiting blood and epistaxis, scanty brown urine, dry feces, red tongue with scanty moisture and rapid pulse.
It's heat syndrome.
Okay. When you say heat syndrome, pwedeng excess heat, pwedeng empty heat. Okay?
Empty.
Syndrome pa rin yan. What are the causes for deficiency syndrome? Bakit may mga tao may deficiency?
Ayun, meron po akong 5. One, congenital qi deficiency.
Okay.
2, insufficient production of qi and blood due to improper diet.
Yes.
3, impairment of visceral qi and blood due to emotional factors and overstrain.
Yes.
4, exhaustion of kidney essence due to excess sexual intercourse. And 5, impairment of healthy qi due to chronic disease.
Okay. Kung hindi naman tayo nagkaroon na naminana na medyo may deficiency na, no, congenital. There were people who were really born to, you know, to be deficient. Kaya there's nothing we can do about it. However, we can still stay healthy by being careful with our food, no? Another is improper diet. Okay? Kaya people these days, they just eat the food that they want to eat, no? As long as it gives them pleasure. So when that happens, it affects your chi and blood, no? So, yun.
Hindi na po kasi tayo marunong mag-distinguish ng needs at saka want.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So dapat nandoon tayo sa needs.
Needs,
Doon
hindi
lang
sa
tayo more
want.
on wants. Kasi yun yung ano eh. Yun. Tingnan nyo
May
ha.
matatamaan. Buti wala siya dito.
Emotional factors. Oh, Ma'am Trixie, emotional factors, no? Overstrain. This will affect the chi and blood of your viscera. Internal na
Yeah.
internal siya ha. And this one,
May chi and blood deficiency ako.
I know someone na tanda-tanda na grabe pa din. Oh. Imagine maubos mo yung kidney essence. Can you imagine? Kulang na yung kidney essence mo.
Pero, Dok, mayroong mga taong hindi maubusan yan.
Oo nga. Even if they're like 50 plus na. Or
Yeah.
Oo,
60.
70. Meron pa
70.
70.
Yung
70,
dad ng
grabe pa rin.
friend ko nakabuntis pa 70 plus.
Mm-mm.
Hindi
70.
maubusan pero ang dami na nilang sakit.
Wala nga eh. Clear na
Wala.
clear siya. Clear na
Ay,
clear siya.
napaka-unfair
Ang galing.
naman.
Unfair.
Oo nga eh.
No, hindi pa siya nagmamanifest actually. Yeah. So, if you
Sa
take a look,
spiritual side po kasi, Doc, may explanation nun. Pero hindi ko explain dito.
ay, okay.
Kasi ano po eh, iba po itong class.
Okay.
Kahaba po.
Explain mo next time.
Sige, next time, we'll give you the floor. Ay, ganun si Ma'am Elvira. Okay. Biglang, gusto yata niya malaman yung technique mo, Madam M.
Ay, oo. Kailangan ko i-share yan kasi pampahaba ng buhay yan eh. At saka pagpalinis ng soul.
Oh, 'di ba? Alam mo na yung Ma'am Elvira. Oh,
Mm-mm.
parang iba ang smile ngayon ni Ma'am Elvira. Parang happy-happy. Ay, kasi magwa-Valentine's na. Okay.
Ay, oo nga, no? Valentine's na pala.
At saka ano, dapat yung chronic disease natin, wag nating palalain. No? Yun.
Wag na.
Okay. Identify the pattern. Fatigue, shortness of breath, no desire to speak. Andito na yata lahat. Intolerance to cold, cold limbs, spontaneous sweating, clear and profuse urine, loose stools, emaciation, fevery sensation at the five centers, tidal fever, flushed cheeks, night sweating, pale or sallow complexion, dizziness, Diyos ko naman, lahat na yata nandyan. Okay, what's the answer?
Deficiency syndrome.
Yes. Of course, yung susunod, okay, wala na. What are the reasons for excess syndrome? Bakit nagkakaroon ng excess?
Ayun, yung number 1 is yung invasion of pathogenic factors in the body. Yung pangalawa, dysfunctions of the viscera, leading to accumulation of phlegm, fluid, dampness, and blood stasis in the body.
Okay, in other words, if we make sure that our viscera are in good working condition, hindi mangyayari itong mga internal pathogenic factors, no? Phlegm, fluid. Okay. So yun.
Mm.
Fever, restlessness, coma with delirium, chest oppression, hoarse breath, exuberance of phlegm and saliva, tenesmus, painful urination, stiff tongue to, hindi ito tough. Yeah, stiff tongue, thick or greasy coating, excess pulse. What is the syndrome?
It's excess syndrome.
Yes. Uh, dull complexion, dispiritedness, fatigue, cold limbs, low voice, shortness of breath, bland taste in the mouth without thirst, clear profuse urine, loose stools, pale and tender tongue, sunken and thin pulse, heavy sensation of the body, intolerance to cold, liking to close the eyes, no desire to speak. Yeah, wala. Anong klase to? Loose
Wala
to,
nang gana.
yeah,
Yin syndrome. Wala nang
Yin
gana.
syndrome.
Will to live.
Yeah, ito naman, this is the opposite, oh. Liking to open the eyes and speak, very opposite. So the answer is,
Yang syndrome.
yeah, maingay, no? Saka, retention of dry feces, okay. Since this syndrome develops slowly in both onset and recovery.
Yin syndrome.
Yes. Develops rapid in both onset, develops rapidly in both onset and recovery.
Yang syndrome.
O mabilis. Mabilis din ma-recover. What is a young pulse?
Floating, rapid, slippery, large, and strong.
Okay, lahat na. Yin pulse.
Deep, thready, feeble, choppy, and weak.
Yes. Yeah. Choppy kasi nawawala-wala, no? Okay. Pattern. Hot, salty, and sticky sweating, fever over the body, warm limbs, aversion to heat, dry skin, flushed complexion, thirst with preference for cold drinks, restlessness, or even coma, scanty urine, red and dry tongue, thin, rapid, and weak pulse.
It's yin depletion.
Yes, naubos na yung yin. Oo, kasi ano na siya, flushed. So this is worse than uh, hindi pa pala yin collapse. Naubos lang yung
Hindi
yin.
pa,
Oo.
hindi pa po kasi na-anchor pa niya yung yang.
Yes. Depleted lang. Profuse cold sweat beads. Pale complexion, cold skin, cold limbs, blunt taste in mouth without thirst or with thirst and preference for hot drinks, weak breath, dispiritedness, or even unconsciousness, comma, pale and moist tongue, indistinct pulse.
Yang depletion, malapit nang mag-yang collapse.
Yeah. So pag nakikita mo, parang may mga perlas na yung kanyang forehead. Tapos grabe yung pawis. Tapos tingnan mo, nagpa-pearl-pearl siya. Okay, severe aversion to cold, light fever, pain of the head and body, stuffy and runny nose, nose sweating, white, thin and moist coating, floating, tense pulse. What is the syndrome?
It's external cold syndrome.
Very good. What do the 8 principles establish in terms of pattern identification?
Ah, hindi ako sure doon sa sagot ko, pero
Sure na yan.
nag-establish sila ng diagnosis na hindi kailangan makita yung cause, kailangan makita yung pattern.
Yeah, pero bakit meron tayong sinasabing super exterior, interior, no?
Yun, ayun. Yun, kaya sinabi yun
Location.
para allocations na,
'Di ba?
okay.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin, exterior,
Yung,
interior, then interior, cold, exterior. During which
oh,
dynasty, o 'di ba, masyadong grabe yung history natin. During
oo
which
nga.
dynasty were the eight principles first discussed?
It's in the Qing Dynasty.
Wow, okay. By Dr. Cheng Zhongling. How does one differentiate between exterior and interior?
Location of disease.
Okay. Hindi natin binibase sa etiology. Okay?
Mhm.
So, I think this is very important. In the context of exterior diseases from wind, the exterior is sometimes also called blunt,
Lung defensive Qi portion.
yeah, or the Wei Qi. No? Why
Qi.
is the exterior sometimes called the lung defensive Qi portion?
Because the lung system connects to the skin, skyway Qi, and the body hair and the nose is the opening of the lungs. When pathogenic factor invades the body from the skin, the lung system is affected and the lung qi is disturbed in dispersion. Wei qi is in the skin which is connected to the lungs.
Okay. That's the skin and muscles ang Wei Qi.
Wei qi.
The lungs control both the skin and the Wei Qi or defensive Qi. There are generally two types of exterior conditions that affect the skin and muscles. What are they?
The acute, no, excuse me, the acute onset and the slow onset, the
Okay.
beat syndrome.
The B syndrome, painful obstruction. And the other one is
Exterior pathogenic factor
the
and acute
PEF,
onset.
the
Yes,
external pathogenic factor na may acute onset.
acute
Yung
onset.
isa, slower onset, no? So, hopefully, na-master na natin yung P syndrome. I hope everyone is serious about it. And then the other one
Yes.
is the one with acute onset, wind cold, wind heat. So, hopefully, na-master na rin natin. What sign always indicates invasion from exterior pathogenic factor?
The signs and symptoms are in the Wei Qi aspects: skin, muscles, joints, and tendons. Um, Fever, headache, aversion to cold, body aches, stiff neck, superficial or floating pulse.
Okay. Fever and chills that occur
Fever.
simultaneously. Okay? So this is telling us
Mm,
na galing pa sa labas yung exterior pathogenic factor pa. Okay? Fever and chills occurring simultaneously. What are the main distinctions between hot and cold exterior patterns? The three signs.
Three signs. Sa hot, fever, thirst, and rapid pulse. Sa cold, slight fever, no thirst, tight, and superficial pulse.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thirst
Ayun.
and absence of thirst. At saka heat or cold. And then the pulse, tight or slow, rapid. What are the factors differentiating excess from deficiency in exterior patterns? There are three signs.
Three signs. Okay. Sa exterior excess, no sweating, severe body aches, floating tight pulse. Sa exterior deficiency, sweating, slight body ache, floating slow pulse.
Okay. An exterior pattern is by definition excess or deficient.
Excess.
Yes. What is the term for gradual invasion of the channels by an exterior pathogenic factor?
It's a B syndrome.
Yes. So, ang tagal na natin nagdi-discuss yan ha, B syndrome. In fact, you have many patients with B syndrome. Uh, yung arthritic conditions or may arthralgia, masakit yung joints. What characterizes P syndrome?
Characterizes obstruction to the circulation of qi in channels and joints by a pathogenic factor,
Okay, sa
which
channel,
can be called po.
yes. Sa channels lang siya and joints, kaya napakadaling i-treat. What are the 4 types of P syndrome?
When B, the pain moves from joint to joint. The cold B, one joint is affected. The pain is severe, relieved by application of heat. The heat B, severe pain, joints are swollen and hot. And damp B, swelling of joints.
Very good. So yun lang po ang 4 types of P. What is an interior pattern? Again.
Again, it's an internal organs are affected by external or internal pathogenic factors, and the disease is located in the interior.
Okay. Does fever always need to be present in excess heat pattern?
No.
Yes.
Sometimes kasi, some
No.
internal excess heat pattern, walang fever po.
Yeah. There are actually 2 patterns na walang fever. Ano itong dalawang conditions na walang fever?
May kinalaman po sa blood, could be like blood heat or liver fire. Tama, yung hula ko.
Yeah, liver fire and heart fire.
Hinulaan ko lang yun.
Ang galing mo kasi, grabe, hindi ka tao.
Hindi, analysis po kasi.
Di ba
Pagka
ibang
po kasi
klase,
lahat
no?
ng
Ma'am Tricks, the way she
yung,
thinks.
Yes.
yung
Grabe.
Very
information po kasi,
expert.
Very
hindi, lahat po
expert.
kasi ng
Actually,
lahat po kasi ng natututunan natin dito, kapag pinag-tagni-tagni, it makes sense. Once it makes sense, lalabas talaga yung
Oo
yung
naman. Nakita niya
logic.
naman paulit-ulit, no? Yung iba nga,
Yes.
inulit-ulit ko na, hindi pa.
Ano siya nagkakaroon ng yung tamang way to analyze things.
Yeah. It's just
Dun
like
sa,
watching a telenovela. You have to watch it from the beginning. No shortcut, no?
ako
Especially,
baliktad, sa dulo ako nag-uumpisa.
ay, kamag-anak
Opo,
na
parang
talaga si
Japan.
Dr. Ryan. Sa dulo
Hmm, sa dulo muna, tapos aalamin ko kung bakit.
paano
Saka,
nangyari. Okay.
opo.
Ano, retro, matawag ka. Basta retrograde yun.
Mercury retrograde.
Yeah. Okay. What other manifestations indicate heat?
Thirst, feeling of heat, mental restlessness, red face, dry stool, scanty dark urine, rapid pulse, red tongue with yellow coating. Oh, marami.
Any raised red skin eruption that feels hot. Okay?
Oh my
And
gosh,
you have
malala
high
na to.
acute urticaria. Any burning
Had
sensation, katulad ng
Mhm.
cystitis or burning in the stomach. Any hemorrhage of dark red blood indicates heat in the blood. Pag fresh red, the bleeding is
Mhm.
due to Qi deficiency. Shen, okay, extreme restlessness, mental restlessness, or mania indicates may heat in the heart. Ganon kadami ang heat. When does
Grabe.
excess heat tend to arise?
Excess heat tends to arise, magiging fire na siya.
Pag sobra na yung yang in the
Yeah.
body, no? And also, you have an exterior pathogenic factor na nag-turn into heat once in the body. And that is something that,
Dr. Nadok,
yeah. Hello? Ano yun? May pumasok.
Dumaan po.
May dumaan.
na-late,
May dumaan po.
Diyos ko, saang planeta yung galing? Okay, what are the common causes of excess yang energy in the body? Bakit yung iba nagkakaroon ng excess yang?
Ano po, hyperactivity of yang qi and excess of pathogenic heat.
Dahil sa mga pagkain, no? That cause
Ah,
stomach or liver heat.
hindi kasi ako
Long-standing
mahilig.
emotional problems. Kaya nagkakasakit, no? In which chi stagnation generates heat. Can you imagine, no? Na, okay, kaya bawal na magalit, sir, ma'am, ano.
Grabe yung heat.
Oh,
Oh, hindi,
Under,
wala ako
heat or
dyan.
heart.
revision na.
Wala ako.
So, pag
Stoic
emotions, tingnan
talaga
mo,
ako.
pwede maging liver heat or heart heat. Pag food, stomach or liver
Ah.
heat. Pili ka lang.
So, healthy talaga yung practice the art of detachment saka stoicism.
Yes.
Oo. Ano
Yes.
siya, healthy.
Healthy siya.
Wow. Number 98. What are most pathogenic factors most likely to turn into once inside the body?
Hot energy foods and emotional stress cause, ayun, which is stagnation which gives rise to the heat.
Lahat sila nagiging heat. And that's what, syempre pag may heat na, meron ka ng liver heat, uh, ano to? Heart heat, heat in the blood,
Blood heat.
kaya pala.
Mm.
Okay. Next, from what energy does empty heat arise or come from?
From deficient in energy.
Wow, okay. Galing. Yun, okay.
Ay, hindi
What
ko
does
hinulaan
cold
yun.
cause pain?
Okay. Yung coagulation ng cold and obstructing resulting to qi stagnation in the channels and collaterals, retarding qi and blood circulation results in spasm manifested by headache and acute pain in the whole body.
Wow, amazing. Congratulations. I will give the answer.
Bumawi po ako.
Grabe. Congratulations, everyone. So,
Yes.
I thought
Yeah.
Ay,
it was
salamat
not.
na nakinig.
Oo.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Doc She, do you have any comment? Magaling ba yung mga classmates niyo?
Ay,
Kumusta na po
syempre,
kayo?
super galing yun ni Madam M.
Hi,
Yes.
Doc She.
Hi,
So, Doc She,
Stress.
Kumusta na kayo dyan?
Hi,
Ayun, medyo
Sir Mark.
natuyo na. Medyo natuyo na kasi medyo maganda na yung panahon.
Good.
ay wow.
Oo. By March kasi nandyan ako kasi kaya
Ay, wow.
tinitingnan-tingnan ko yung
Sure.
Sana
pagkyo.
Contact mo
Jerry,
lang ako.
maganda bahay mo.
Ha?
Para maganda dyan. Para sariwa hangin.
Oo.
Ay, di
Wala na
ba
yung
gagaling
bagyo
mo na
eh.
ng Boracay, Sir Mark? Kunwari, nag-treat ng
Ito,
patient.
Wow, ang ganda.
Da.
Ang ganda. Wow, I
Ganda.
love that. Oh my God.
Ganda.
Yan yung bahay niyo. Ang ganda
Nice
naman.
Ganda.
Kaya
Maganda.
pala
bakawan yan.
Mura ba lupa dyan, Dok?
kanyang
Mahal.
bahay.
Kami na
Mahal
lang yung
na.
puno dito.
Ay,
Wow.
Ang ganda naman.
Yeah, fresh.
Mayroon bang for sale na lupa dyan, Dok?
Oo naman. Pagpunta
Pero
mo
hindi,
dito, ano?
pero
sige,
hindi
yung
dyan sa
bahay
malapit
mo.
sa'yo.
Oo, marami.
Sila.
Kasi
Bakit
baka mamay.
Ay,
Mangyari niyan, baka maghapon lang tayo maghuhuntahan.
Uy,
kaya
malaki
nga.
na yung ano dyan, yung price ng mga lupa dyan. Malapit yata yan sa Coron.
Hindi, ang Coron is another island.
Oo, nagmahal nga.
Mm.
Ang
Dito
mahirap sa...
ah ah, may tag 5,000 per square meters.
Mahal na rin.
Mahal na, mahal na.
Mahal na.
Mahal na.
Parang 5 hectares
Mm.
ata yung sa'yo dyan.
Hindi naman.
Wala.
Maliit lang to dito.
Mga 4.5.
Ah, yung mag-soul searching, maganda talaga dito. Soul searching.
Pwede ka
Oo.
rin, pwede ka rin no? Mag-jump out of the window. Hindi ka masasaktan.
Kasi yung baba nito is terrace namin. Dito nagpo-program yung husband ko pag morning.
Wow,
Yung
ganda.
Wow.
set.
Mm. Ito yung
Mag-vlog ka
studio
kaya?
niya.
Ganda
Oo
naman
nga.
Ganda
dyan.
dito.
Grabe.
Ganda dyan.
Hindi ako mahilig mag-vlog. Yung husband ko yung mahilig mag-vlog.
Ay, wow.
Busy ka na eh.
Nga.
Kaya.
Wow. Sana all.
Sana all.
Okay. Wala tayong Zoom Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, pahinga tayo. But anyway, mahaba
Yeah.
yung sagutin ninyo ng mga questions. So far,
Opo.
nag-work naman yung ating diagnostics. And I'm
Opo.
excited to actually start these channels and point categories. So, nasa fourth module na tayo. You have 2 modules more to come. And so good. So, maraming salamat. So, kahit sinorter natin, sabi ko, I'm sure excited din. Ang gusto ko kasi mangyari, after all this assessment,
Mhm.
we will ask each other questions like clinical. Because I was told na may nag-leak lang sa akin, yung mga ano daw pala, nagbibigay ng go signal, you will be questioned by a panel. No? So, yon.
Oh,
So,
wow.
kailangan sanay na tayo magsagot sa panel kasi kayo ang panel.
Oh.
Kailangan mas magaling kayo sa nagtatanong.
Dok, bakit nagkaroon ng ganun na?
Tanungin mo si Sir Abel. Ano daw?
Siguro
Bakit
ano,
yung mga nangyaring, yung mga
siguro,
namatayan, yung mga
Siguro para
ganun.
magkaroon ng standard.
Yes.
Standard
So we
siya.
will set the standard. Kaya
oo, parang
binibilisan,
ganun nga.
binibilisan ko na yung theory. Anyway, everything
Mm.
is recorded, no? So what I would like to do, we will still meet, but this
Mhm.
time we are going to handle
Mhm.
cases, no?
Yeah, much better.
Mga ganun, no?
Ayan, better
And then
tayo
at the
dyan.
same time, you will have to
Malupit.
present your cases. So if you were required like 50 ba,
Mhm.
60, you have to present 10 of them on our ano. So, yun.
Ah.
Diba? Oo.
Mm.
We showed them. Kasi daw yung ano,
Wow.
ay ayaw ko na lang na dyan si Sir Mark eh. Ayaw ko sabihin ano nangyari doon sa ano. Ipasa na
Saan?
lang ni ano, ni Ma'am. Pasa na lang. Kasi
Di wag mo
friendly
na
lang
lang
ng
banggitin
taong
kung
yun.
kung saan.
Ay,
Huwag
Oo,
na
wag
lang
na,
wala.
wag
specific
na.
kung
Wala
saan.
daw nakapasa. Buti na lang hindi.
Oh,
Ah,
Kaya ano, yeah.
meron daw
Ang
meron
bilis.
daw nagpa-assess na group tapos hindi sila nakapasa.
Wait,
Saan
Yeah.
yan?
ibang school ba to?
Saan yan?
Ibang
Sa
group
iba
na
daw.
bilis lump,
Sa
no?
iba daw.
Alam pala.
Hindi
Sa
siya
iba.
lump.
Kapita?
Hmm.
Wala pa yung assessment natin. Hindi tayo.
Hindi pa. Sabi ni ano, sa
Kapita?
Juliet, para
May
ready
bumagsak
with.
sa pita?
Oo, sa pitak nga daw. Sa pitak yung
Oo.
parang group sila.
Teka.
Tapos nagpa-assess. Tapos ayun nga. Tapos parang
Ang galing ko
panel
na kaya.
interview ang dating. Tapos walang pumasa.